introduce myself. I am Diva Diamantira Dinesa. My name is 171244067. I'm from Digital Office Administration major, Faculty of Economics at University Negeri Jakarta, Jakarta State University. Okay, so in this video, I will review one journal that linear from my major, which is in Digital Office Administration. And enjoy the video! Okay, so this is the journal I will review. The title is Office Skill Required by Office Technology and Management Students from Effective Performance in Modern Office, from Nigerian Journal of Business Education, Volume 8, October 1st, 2021. The author of this journal are Olayinka Oyinloy, Unique Moduk Asonibari from Department of Office Technology and Management Kwara State Polytechnic Ilorin, and Dr. Kikelamo Oluwalola from Department of Educational Management, Faculty of Education, University of Ilorin, Nigeria. Okay, first I will review the purpose of this journal. The purpose of the study was to identify the office skill, both hard and soft skill, required by Office Technology and Management or OTM graduates from effective performance in modern office environments. By understanding these skill requirements, the study aims to address the employability gap among OTM graduates, equipping them with the competencies needed to meet the demands of contemporary workplace. And this journal, the subject of this journal were 152 higher national diploma students from the Office Technology and Management or OTM departments at Kwara State Polytechnic in Ilorin and Federal Polytechnic Owa, Nigeria. The students comprising 64 males and 88 females were selected for their experience as they had completed at least 1 year of industrial training relevant to modern office skills. Next, the study employed a descriptive survey research design. This method involved the use of a structured questionnaire, the office skill required by Office Technology and Management graduates questionnaire, to collect data from the select sample of OTM students. The data were then analyzed using mean and standard deviation to answer the research. The data were then analyzed using mean and standard deviation to answer the research question, and a t-test was conducted to test the hypothesis regarding skill difference between male and female students. Okay, next, the result of the study revealed that both hard and soft skills are essential for Office Technology and Management graduates to perform effectively in modern office environments. Key hard skills identified include computer skills, internet proficiency, keyboarding, the ability to operate office equipment, and presentation skills, all of which were rated as highly relevant by respondents. Soft skills such as communication, teamwork, problem solving, time management, and adaptability were also deemed necessary for effective job performance. Additionally, the study found no significant difference between male and female students in their perceived need for the skill, suggesting that both genders equally require a well-rounded skill set for modern office role. The finding underscored the importance of that skill in enhancing employability and effectiveness in 21st century workplace. Okay, next I will review a strength of this journal. Okay, the strength of this study include its target focus on real-world skill requirement for Office Technology and Management or OTM students OTM graduates, providing practical insight into both hard and soft skills needed in modern workplace. By using a well-validated survey instrument with a high reliability coefficient, which is it Cronbach alpha of 0.87, the research ensures the credibility and consistency of its findings. Furthermore, the study balanced sample drawn from two institutions and including both male and female students with industrial trade experience, enhance the generalizability of the results. This design allowed the study to address specific employability gaps among OTM graduates, making its recommendation relevant for curriculum improvement in polytechnic institutions, aiming to better prepare students for contemporary job markets. Okay, next I will review the weakness of this journal. The weakness of the study include its reliance on self-report data, which may introduce bias, as students may overestimate or underestimate their skill, proficiency, or the relevance of certain skills. Additionally, the sample is limited to only 2 polytechnic institutions in Nigeria, which may restrict the generalizability of findings to other regions or educational contexts. The study's descriptive survey design also limits its ability to establish causation, meaning it can identify correlation between skill acquisition and job performance, but cannot definitely show that one caused the others. Lastly, the study focused on current students' perspective without incorporating feedback from employer or industry professionals, which might provide a more comprehensive view of the specific skill required in the workforce. Okay, so next, the concludes in this journal that both hard and soft office skills are essential for office technology and management graduates or OTM graduates to effectively perform in modern office environment. Key hard skills such as proficiency in computer operation, internet use, and office equipment handling, alongside soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem solving are crucial for success in the contemporary job market. Without these competencies, OTM graduates may face challenges in securing employment and performing effectively. The study recommends that polytechnic institutions enhance their curricula and research to provide students with hands-on training in these essential skills, thereby bridging the employability gap and preparing graduates to meet the demands of 21st century workplace. Okay, the next I want to give an example of the English tenses based on the text from the journal that we have reviewed. There are 3 tenses I have found. First, I found a simple present tense. The form of simple present tense is subject, verb 1, and complement. Okay, the education is a subject, place is a verb 1, and blah 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 is complement. Next, the sentence is skills or practical activities which make one employable, self-reliant, and relevant to the society. Okay, the sentence form by simple present is skills are subject, are is to be, are practical activities blah 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 is noun, and complement. Okay, next I found simple past tense. The sentence is the study examined office skill required by office technology and management graduates for effective performance in modern office. Okay, the form of simple past tense is subject, verb 2, and complements. The study is subject, examined is verb 2, office skill required blah 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 is complement. Next sentence is a sample of 152 respondents made up of 64 males and 88 females, HND students for blah 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 blah. Okay, a sample of 152 respondents is subject, made up is verb 2 of 64 males and 88 females blah 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 is complement. Okay, the next tense is simple future tense. The form of simple future tense is subject plus will plus verb 1 plus complement. Okay, here's an example of sentence. It's the office skills will make the students to compete favorably in the world of work blah 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 blah. Okay, the office skills is subject will plus will, and then make is verb 1, and then the students to complete favorably in the world blah 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 is complement. Next sentence is the graduates will find it difficult to perform their assigned job blah blah blah. Okay, the graduates is subject plus will plus find is verb 1. It's difficult to perform blah blah blah, it's complement. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.